Well, today's event was by and large recognizing the enthusiastic participation by millions of our customers, of which 25 lucky winners were identified, who had basically downloaded, songs of Nagavalli on the mobile. As you know, mobile and music industry are now firmly enmeshed. It's basically how music is being heard by millions of youngsters across the country, and mobile is playing a very, very, instrumental way of getting music closer to a lot of fans. So specifically what we have done is wherever we are spotting new music talent, for example in this movie Gurkiran, we have tied up with such people, and so we promote such associations, brand associations or affiliations through our mobile. And what we see is there are millions of customers who are participating and are extremely happy to be receiving music at the touch of their own fingers. And in the process today, what we've done is we've identified 25 lucky winners who are basically felicitated here and given certain prizes via the hands of Mr. Victor Venkatesh. That was the event today specifically. Oh, huge. I mean, honestly, it's been an outstanding success. The number of downloads that we experienced has been way beyond our imagination. And we started last year actually, with an association from another movie called Namo Venkatesha. And we concluded last year again with a Victory Venkatesh movie, which was Nagavalli. And through the years, what we've seen is wherever there are good songs and good, films, then mobile is, actually making it faster for people to appreciate, both the music and the movie. Because you are able to get the songs, you are able to get the video clips, people are able to share it, listen in groups. So all that is happening. No, mobile is versatile. We associate in various ways. We associate, mobile is today a mass item. It is, as much a utility as much as it is, lifestyle. People want to do various things on mobile, and music and entertainment is just one of them. So what you're seeing today is one facet of, a mobile interaction which is driving business and, forging new alliances and new forms of business relationships. Going ahead, you will see not only music, but you've already seen sports. You will continue to see a lot of new applications coming on mobile, which is driving business, which is in both in terms of lifestyle as well as in terms of enterprise applications. So mobile is extremely versatile. For the common man today, he is able to download a song at the click of his finger without having to depend on a radio or having to go to a shop and buy a CD.